Good morning, all of you.
Morning, sir.
Uh, Today is a debate session and debate session on government job versus private job. And our topic is government job. खामोशी से बस तू मेहनत करता जा, अगर तेरी काबिलियत में दम है, अगर तेरी काबिलियत में दम है, तो तेरी तरक्की ही काफी है दुनिया में शोर मचाने के लिए. Private job is a good job because private job are provide you a more vacancy and higher salary potential and faster career growth, as well as innovation and flexibility are more in private job, and as well as faster decision making. And if I'm talking about higher salary potential, private sector job give you a higher salary package as compared to government job. And there is also a fast career growth because they in private sector job provide faster career growth due to merit based system, can lead to quicker promotion and more opportunity for advancement. And as well as in private sector job, more room for creativity and innovation, like, and some role may offer you more flexibility. So private, I have, as per me, private job is very good in our life.
Good morning, all my panelists. I am Arvind. I wanna say शायरी before our debate session. खुद से बहस करोगे तो सारे सवालों के जवाब मिल जाएंगे. अगर हमसे बहस करोगे तो और नए सवाल खड़े हो जाएंगे. Our topic is which job is good, government job or private job. I am also favor of the government job because I am also a SSC CGL aspirant. Suppose if you have a government job, you also respect your family and your society. You also respect your father. Suppose if you are a soldier, you also earn money and you also serve your country. If you die for your country, you also known as a patriot. After the death, you will also known as a patriot. You will remember the same date. If you know, if you all we know that Pulwama soldiers are also we know that the Valentine Day as a black day. So I suppose the government job.
बुझी समा भी जल सकती है, तूफानों से कश्ती भी निकल सकती है. बुझी समा भी जल सकती है, तूफानों से कश्ती भी निकल सकती है. होके मायूस ना अपने इरादे बदल, तेरी किस्मत कभी भी बदल सकती है. And one more I want to say, मुनाफिक दोस्तों से बेहतर है लाख बेहतर है खुला दुश्मन. मुनाफिक दोस्तों से बेहतर है खुला दुश्मन. गद्दारी नवाबों से हुकूमत छीन लेती है. Today we gonna start our debate session, private versus government job. You said that if you are a government job, all the society will give you respect, and you are be a patriot. So I seem that every Indians are a patriot. Everyone has the equal effort to make our country high peak, because soldier give us protect as well to compared to merchant navy officer. One should you protect you, one should provide you. Protection is equal to provide. If you want someone protecting you, you also need to provide. If you want someone protecting, and also the merchant navy officers, private, that is a private sector, they will give you food, necessary items, electronic items, clothes, and all the things that comes from other countries or other places. This is a good. And as we compare to many businessmen, Ajim Premji, also known his birthday also, everyone has give best to our country, and economically good to economically good our country. And you said that government job, there are so many debates of government job. If you are in a government job, you are not eligible in a ration card also. You are not eligible in many of the forms. If you are a government job, you are not you can't apply the chief in our village. In Hindi we say Pradhani, and many others. And if you are a government job, you are not eligible for scholarship also. There are so many demerits of government job. There is no slow promotions, and promotions are based on the seniority.
Yeah. It's,
You have to spend your time limit without spending your time limit, your time limit, you can't be
it's okay.
promoted.
Mm,
So
It's
these are the so many demerits of government job as compared to private job, because your government job only provide 1 to 2% jobs of India, and the other jobs are private jobs. How can you say this the government job is best? Because you are only providing 2% people's job,
yeah.
and I providing all of the people's job. There are so many 25 hours of formal and registered, and other percentage of job like government
Yes.
agriculture.
Uh, I want to say something. It's starting my debate. इश्क का तेरे यकीन बन जाऊं, दर्द में तेरे सुकून बन जाऊं। इश्क का तेरे यकीन बन जाऊं और दर्द में तेरे सुकून बन जाऊं। तुम रखो कदम जिस जगह जगह पर, तुम रखो कदम जिस जगह पर, खुदा करे मैं वो जमुन भी मैं बन जाऊं। uh, First of all, uh, ad- I want to count some advantage of government jobs. Talking about government job offers stability. If you are in a government, so if you are in a government job, then it will be a stability. But there is no stability in private sector. If you are doing in a private sector, there will be no. You said that yeah, it's a early promotion, but in my opinion there is a early promotion, but it will be it will be too much pressure in you, too much pressure of by company. But in government sector there will be no pressure of any works. And also if you are going for a uh, their government in government jobs there will be more advantage, like they will gives you a medical faculty, and also a travel facility. And the government jobs they give you more facility, like travel facility, medical facility, and also there are so many allowance, and also home allowance.
सफलता की लड़ाई अकेले लड़ी जाती है, सफलता की लड़ाई अकेले लड़ी जाती है, भीड़ तो जीत का उत्सव मनाने के लिए आती है. And now I'm come to my topic, and because I am also a JEE aspirant, and we are only got we are only got private jobs because government can't afford us. You know, because the JEE aspirants are packages like 5 crore per year and 6 crore per year. And you ask question about responsibility. If you are responsible, that is beneficial for you.
Yeah.
Listen, if you are not responsible, that's why you cheat the country. You are not go on time, and at a school teacher, government school teacher can't go on time and go teach the students like in proper way. That they teach they cheat the country. Government employees are cheat the country, but in private sector they are doing his work proper way. He can't do their work proper way, and then boss make pressure on him, and they do his job 8 hours and
But
9 hours. And there is also facility of overtime. You do your job 12 hours and get more income.
Government and private jobs their own importance and value in our life, but government job is considered one of the safest job, because it offers security and retirement holidays offers, and retire after retirement pension after retirement a pension. For example, teachers, police, or railway employees.
Arvind bhai, you said that our shoulder is save our life and our country. This is I pray for the shoulder. Always pray for the shoulder who save my country and save
our lives.
me. And एक and why I wanna say 2 words. वो आंधी की तरह आएगी, तूफान की तरह चली जाएगी. वो आंधी की तरह आएगी और तूफान की तरह चली जाएगी. फ्यूचर सिक्योर कर लो, वरना जिंदगी बहुत सताएगी. You said about shoulder. Shoulder is a very reverend word. uh, uh, respected word, and your government is now exchange in Agnivir. What is Agnivir? You know that?
Yeah.
Yeah, you provide only 4 years. After 4 years, a little amount are give your person. If I'm talk, I asked from you.
But
one
the-
person get a regular salary. There is only 20,000. One person get a 20 lakh rupees in only one chance. Which life is better? Please give me one line answer. Which life is better?
But the all posted not give the 4 years for Agnivir, as you know. But if you prepare for Air Force, Navy, and listen.
Excuse me. Please listen me. I ask you one question. Let me complete my
I
point.
reply your question. I reply your question.
I said don't
Which I told you. This I reply your question.
give me one answer. Which life is better? 20. Yeah.
If suppose if you are a student, after you passing the 12th and getting a Agnivir Yojana and you getting a job. Suppose if you are 12, if you are pass out 12 and after that you cannot prepare for exam and not getting a job, you go to the private job and getting minimum salary 5,000, 8,000, 10,000. Why can you serve your life and your family in 8,000? If you are go to the Agnivir Yojana, you can serve your country and your family. You getting a 21,000 a monthly salary. After that, after 4 years, you getting 21 lakh.
Yeah.
If you are retired, and also
Please, can you give me my question answer that which life is better? One person get 20 lakh one time.
Yeah.
One person get 20,000 per month in his life.
Yeah.
Which life is better?
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Please, Arvind bhai, please one question. And please
what
give
the,
me your.
what the R people, R student can
You sledging my question.
please reply.
No.
I reply your
Please,
question. I reply your question. But all the student, all the person not getting a job, 21 lakh. You say,
Yeah.
you say that. Everyone, you
No,
can
please,
see, you
please.
can go and see.
Are you know
and
that-
see
are you know that
all the people are
In this- Excuse me. Do you know that after 12th, one student age is 17 years, and you give a Agnivir job for 4 years, and his age up to 21 years. If he 21 year, do you know that this is the learning period? 17 years and 21 years between is the learning period of the student. Because and after joining your Agnivir job, the person is depend on your job and his job.
Sir, how can you say after 20 years a student get a better job than after near about 21 lakhs? You say that? How can a student-
There is, if you have, I am talking about the salary package.
Yeah.
Private sector job is give a higher package compared to government package.
Where?
Always.
Where?
Everywhere.
What are you saying?
Everywhere.
What are you saying?
What is the teacher salary?
Approximately 60 to 70.
Do you know that the preparation
60,000 to 70,000.
the teacher a teacher
Yeah.
we preparation IIT.
Yeah.
What is his salary? Do you know?
What
Do you know what is
the
his salary?
experiment not
His
can
salary
be
is more than 1 lakh per month.
You said
His salary is
you,
one
you said
1
that
lakh per
hello,
month.
you said that Agnivir Yojana is the for false. You said that.
Fully flop. Fully flop.
Listen. Please listen.
I will answer.
You know our government that started that 50% jobs are on permanent jobs in Agnivir. Do you know?
Yes, sir.
Why do you not?
When government gives, then tell to me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Government is only.
Government also said that
But let me what our government said that.
Also,
Yeah.
also,
Let me
Suppose.
answer. Let me
Yeah.
I'm asking. Let me answer your.
And nowadays,
Let me answer your
What
question.
about you? If you are working in a private sector, it will be a stability in your private sector.
Yes.
How can you say this?
Lifetime.
How can
My
you say
father also doing private sector.
But-
Lifetime
hello.
since 2020.
He changed his company.
200.
You know he changed his company. You know. You also know that.
It depends upon no.
Why not? Why not? It's
It depends upon me.
in government sector. It is a stability of working, and it will be if you are lacking in a pandemic. They will give you salary in whole year. If you are sitting in home, they will give you salary. Our government will give you salary, and if you are going for in last stage, it will be give you a pension. But in not private sector, there will be no any pension.
Let me complete
Let-
my. No.
yeah, it's
Let me
let him complete. Let him
Let me
complete.
speak.
Yeah.
First of them, you said Agnivir, about Agnivir.
Yeah.
They government also said that everyone gets 15 lakhs.
Yeah.
Have you got?
It's a
Let me-
government. I'm
it
not
only
talking.
was yes
What?
or no?
Let me
Have
speak.
you got?
Let me speak.
Yes or no? Have you got?
Yes.
Have you got 15 lakhs?
Yeah, but
Have you got?
Let me
15
speak.
lakhs?
Let me speak. I'm answering you. I'm answering you. I'm in the not favor of government. What will be government doing? But I'm in the favor of government job. It's a very good job because why I'm not favoring
Government
the.
jobs are also private teachers on Sanvida,
Yeah.
on the Agnivir Sanvida,
Yeah.
in the medical
I
college,
have one question,
BMLT
sir.
college,
I have one question.
Nurse
I have one
Sanvida.
Yeah.
I have one question.
To whom are you providing
Are
government
you-
job? There is no stability. Everywhere, every government applies
I
transfer
have
one day
one
by year. What after their child? Well, support that.
Yeah.
I have transferred to Gorakhpur
Yeah.
for 3 years.
Yeah.
I and also live in with my family and my child also. And I work 3 years and my child also studying here. After 3 years, I have to transfer from Andhra. I have all the carries of my homelands. Our life will be like a wonder.
Why? Why should why?
Let me cut it back. In Hindi, ना गवर्नमेंट जॉब की लाइफ ना घुमक्कड़ की तरह होती है. You know that? Every year you have to. You said that no pressure on the in the government job. If you're not properly, the government will kick out. You can't do any wrong things. Any job, not private or good. If you not good, if you not do good, everyone kick out.
Why not?
One second.
Please. Sir, please. I have one question. If you say that government job is bad, if government job is bad, why many people are prepared for government job or government job? Please listen. For example, a teacher also he is teaching in a private school. Why they are preparing for government teacher? Please tell me.
Because that is her mindset. But I talk about me. I can't prepare for government job. I am JEE aspirant and I my aim is to become got a lot of salary in lot of the country. Go to abroad and
I
earn
reply
money.
your question.
It's your choice. You are preparing for government job. or not.
Suppose you say you also known as a private teacher salary is 10,000.
No, who said?
10,000.
Yes.
10,000.
We talk about
you say that
we talk about at ground level.
silence, sir.
At ground level.
you said that you are preparing for IIT.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Your family is rich and you can also prepare for IIT and you go to the other country.
Yes.
If suppose a poor family cannot afford it and
Why cannot afford it? There is
Oh,
online
no,
classes.
no.
Online teachers are teaching. How can you say that?
What is the piece of
Many students are.
teaching of
You got study loan. You got study loan from bank, and if you are studying in IITs, there is a guaranteed
Do you
job.
know what is
they
the, do
give
you know what is the process of education loan? It's a lengthy process. If
you get 99 percentile in JEE Mains, I passed your loan in 1 day.
yeah,
It's
but
my
but
responsibility.
but
you got 99 percentile in JEE Mains.
let me speak, sir. If you are going for education loan, the government will ask you. If you are going for education loan, the government will ask you. You have a field or you have
If you got a 40% in 10th and go to take a study loan, how can they give you a study loan? If you are able
why
to.
what about poor? If they are poor, they will not afford the IIT and also AIMS they will not-
AIMS fees is 5,000 rupees for full MBBS.
Let me speak. What is the our
student cannot get 99%
Then all students can't go abroad and can't.
But
if
all-
you have quality, you go.
But all the people not afford the only a living fees, only a living charge. All the family are not afford it.
Living charge. Their accommodation is free.
What?
Accommodation is free.
But
And
it is only an IIT and IM. What about IIM, IFS, ISC Bangalore? Do you know what is the fees of?
accommodation, will they give you accommodation or not?